Hi all of you. Here is a question for you. And the question is, calculate the area of the triangle. We want to find the area of this triangle. Here this triangle is of angles 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and one of its side is given of length 8 centimeter. So we want to find the area of this triangle. To find that area, we want to know the length of this base. The length of base and the height, that is the length of height. So here we know that this triangle is of angles 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So we can use the property that we have already learned. That is, if the angles are in a triangle, if the length of sides opposite to these angles are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So we can apply that here. And I told you that if the length of the side opposite to 90 degree is 8 centimeter, we can say that the length of the side opposite to 30 degree is half of that length. That is here I am giving the name of this triangle as ABC, and here the length of the side opposite to 30 degree is AB. So we can write AB is equal to half of 8, that is 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. Here AB is 4 centimeter. And BC, that is the length of the if the length of the side opposite to 30 degree is 4 centimeter, then the length of the side opposite to 60 degree is 4 into root 3, that is 4 root 3 centimeter. So here we know the length of base and length of height, so we can calculate the area of this triangle. That is, area is equal to half into base into height, that is base is 4 root 3 into height is 4. So here we can cut here 4 by 2, that is 2, and 4 into 2 is 8. So we can write 8 root 3. That is 8 into the value of root 3 is 1.73. Here I am giving 2 places after decimal. That is 8 into 1.73. After multiplication, that is 13.84. Therefore, area is equal to 13.84 centimeters square. 13.84 centimeters square is the area of this triangle. Here, you should learn how we are finding the length of other two sides of this triangle. That is important here. And the question, find the length of AB. Here you can see a triangle and we want to find the length of AB. Here this triangle is an isosceles triangle and the angle here it is 45 degree, here it is also 45 degree, and this angle is 90 degree. We want to find the length of this side, that is AB. Here it is given the length of AC as 5 centimeter, and if we know this length we can calculate. If we know the length of BC, we can calculate AB by using Pythagoras theorem. Here it is given the length of AC only, so here we can't use Pythagoras theorem directly. For that, before solving this problem, you want to know one thing, that is, I'm taking a triangle of angles 45 degree. This is also 45 degree and this is 90 degree, and the length of this side as 1 and this is also 1 centimeter or 1 meter. Then what is this? If it is 1 centimeter, here it is also 1 centimeter, and the length of this hypotenuse is, you know that we use here to find the length, and we get that value as √2. Again, I am taking the same triangle of angles are equal, but length of sides are different. So here it is 45 degree, here it is also 45 degree and 90 degree, but this length is 2 and this length is also 2, that is 2 centimeter or 2 meter. Here I am taking 2 centimeter. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, I can calculate the value of hypotenuse as it is 2√2. You can do it yourself. After finding the value, we find that it is the length of hypotenuse is 2√2. So again, if I am changing this value as 3 centimeter, here it is also 3 centimeter. After finding the value of hypotenuse, we can see that this is 3√2. The length of hypotenuse as 3√2. If the sides opposite to the angles are 1, 1, then the length of the side opposite to 90 degree is √2. Here, if in the before, that is, if the sides are of 2 centimeters, that is, this side is 2 and this side is 2 centimeter, then the hypotenuse or the length of the side opposite to 90 degree is 2√2. And here it is this, if the sides are 3, 3, then this hypotenuse is 3√2. So after, if we divide this 3 by 2, we get 1, 1 √2. Here it is also 1, 1. If we divide this by 3, we get 1, 1 √2. So we can say that if in a triangle, if the angles are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, then the sides opposite to these angles are in the ratio 1:1:√2. 1:1:√2. So take this triangle, and here if the hypotenuse is 3√2, then what is the length of base, or what is the length of the altitude? It is 3. That is, we divide this by, that is, we divide the hypotenuse by √2. This it should be cancelled and 3 is remaining. So if we know the length of hypotenuse, to find the length of other two sides, we divide that number, that length of hypotenuse by √2. Here you can see the triangle is same as this triangle in angle. So that is, the angles are here 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. ഇവിടെ ത്രികോണം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ ഒരു ത്രികോണത്തിന്റെ കോണളവ് തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെയും തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ 45 ഡിഗ്രി, 45 ഡിഗ്രി, 90 ഡിഗ്രി ആണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ വശങ്ങൾ 1:1:√2 എന്ന അംശബന്ധത്തിലായിരിക്കും. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഒരു വശത്തിന്റെ നീളം, ഏത് വശമായാലും ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് 90 ഡിഗ്രിക്ക് എതിരെയുള്ള വശമായ 5 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആണ്. അങ്ങനെ കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ബാക്കി രണ്ട് വശത്തിന്റെയും നീളം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ 5 സെന്റിമീറ്ററിനെ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? √2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അതായത് ഈ ഒരു നീളം 5/√2, 5/√2 ആയിരിക്കും. ദിസ് ലെങ്ത് ഇസ് ഓൾസോ 5/√2. So this length is AB is 5/√2. That is, AB is equal to 5/√2. That is 5/1.414. So it is easy to calculate that. Multiply √2 here. Multiply by √2 in the numerator and denominator. അതായത് കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ എളുപ്പമാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ 5/√2, അതായത് 5/1.414 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനേക്കാളും എളുപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഗുണിച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഞാൻ മേലെയും താഴെയും എന്ത് ചെയ്തു റൂട്ട് 2 കൊണ്ട് ഗുണിച്ചെഴുതി. അപ്പം മേലെ എന്തായിട്ട് വരിക? In the numerator it should be 5 root 2. Here root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 square, that is equal to 2. So here 5 into the value of root 2 is 1.414 divided by 2. This is equal to 5 into 1.414, that is after 3 points. I put the decimal by 2. That is 7.070 by 2. So dividing by 2, you can see that the answer is 3.5. That is 3.535. Here I take the value as 3.54. Therefore, we can see that the length of AB is equal to 3.54 centimeter. 3.54 centimeter. After here it is 5. So I am taking one from here and adding here. We get that 3.54 is the length of AB.